mathematicians, and welcome to math class. So we have been focusing a lot on counting and numbers and keeping track of what we count, and then how to represent an amount or quantity that we count. And so we've learned that we represent an amount with numbers, with numerals. We also have learned how to represent a numeral with an amount. So if we see a number, a numeral, we can show how many. And if we count an object, we can tell how many by writing the numeral. So we're going to be doing a mixture of those things today. Okay, we're going to be showing a numeral, an amount based on the number. And then we're also going to be counting objects. So one thing I want to talk about today is the counting strategies that we have learned so far. So we made this chart not long ago on our counting strategies. And so some of our strategies, let me get where you can see it. We count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So saying the number out loud as we count. Touch each object, especially if it's not something that we can move. So let's say it's on a seesaw lesson and it's on paper and you're having to count an object on paper and we can't really move those objects. So we can touch and count. We've also practiced like marking them out as we count them so we can keep track. Line them up and count. So if we have a group of objects that we can actually move around, lining them and counting, and then of course, move and count. All of those are great strategies. So today you're going to find attached in Seesaw some activities where you are having to do some counting, or you're also having to draw an amount. I want you to think about what strategies you are using when you are counting. We've worked on the counting jar this week. So I want you to think about how you counted the objects. What was your strategy? So you can record yourself today and share what is your counting strategy. All right, mathematicians, happy counting.